So by no means am I vegan or even vegetarian, and I definitely don't claim to eat healthy. But I do follow a few YouTubers, and I did order this cookbook to help us add to our meals. Franklin is kosher, and we keep what we call Franklin kosher, and we at least keep dairy and meat separate at home when we're cooking it. And vegan meals, I can add to either meat or dairy, which is awesome. So like I was saying, I follow a few different people on YouTube, and one of them is Monami Frost. I started following her because she is gorgeous and has amazing tattoos. Anyway, she has a vegan cookbook, and I ordered it. She sent out a couple goodies, little stickers, and then the cookbook. And it's a very nice cookbook. I would definitely recommend it as a gift for someone. Nice, high quality, glossy photos, lots of recipes.